Well, now let's continue creating some more color for our magma here. What I'm going to do is I've got this layer up like so. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just go ahead and copy this layer. Just drag it down here and drop it like so. And I'm going to actually change this layer. I'm going to change the blending mode here to this to do color dodge. That looks good. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab and copy that layer again. And again. And one more time again. Or one more time again. There we go. There we go. Now we got some lava-ish color going on here like so. I like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and hit image, or let's go to layers. And let's just go ahead and flatten the image. Bring them all into one, like so. That's pretty good. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and hit my text tool. I'm going to type out, since we're going to be using magma here, let's go ahead and type out some magma like so. Go ahead and accept that by hitting enter, and we'll stop here and pick this up in the next part.